Hi everyone, I'm Abhinaya. I take care of customer success at NurtureBox. So, NurtureBox is basically an AI recruitment software which helps you automate your outreach processes. So, this helps you close your job openings a lot faster with a lot of quality candidates, right? I'll give you a demo of how the product as such works. So, let's say I go to LinkedIn, I search for job opening that I have, which is account manager. So I'm just gonna look for people who are working as account managers, right? And I can apply all the filters that are available to me, starting with locations and desired company and so on. So let's say I want to hire candidates from Bangalore. So I'm just gonna click on that. So it's gonna show me all the people who are working from Bangalore as account managers. So let's say I'm just opening a couple of candidates' profiles, right? You can go ahead and apply any filters that you want, that's given to you on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to go to this candidate's profile. On the right side I can see nurture boxes icon over here, and when I click on it, it opens up and it shows me the candidate's basic data. It also gives me an option to reveal their email, reveal their phone number. So that's what I'm going to do. So I also have two more options, which is to add the candidate to a sequence or add them to a project. So we'll get to that. So for this candidate, our tool was not able to find the candidate data immediately. So what happens in this case is that it's going to take 1 hour of your time and it's going to find you the candidate's data, right? This is completely taken care of by our AI engine at the back end. So I'm just going to go to the next candidate's profile and click on, reveal. So, like you saw, it's as quick as that, right? You will be able to see the email immediately. If it's not being able to be found immediately, you will get it in the next 1 hour, right? The AI engine is gonna try and find the data within the 1 hour. So I'm gonna do the same. I think I've already revealed the email for delete, so that's what you can see. That's okay. We'll just close this profile, right? So where can you track this, right? You can track this on the dashboard itself. So I have the talent pool page where I can come and refresh. So you will be able to see both Priyanka and Agnibesh's profiles over here. You can see his email address already being found, and the phone number is being found by the AI engine. For Priyanka, both are being found, right? So in case of the AI is not able to find it even after 1 hour, you will be able to see statuses such as phone not found and email not found. But that's rare cases, right? So you also have two more options, which is sequence and project. What does a sequence mean? So this is a list of actions that you configure in order to automate your process. So basically, this can be a combination of email, combination of email and LinkedIn, or it can be purely email, purely LinkedIn. Absolutely up to you, right? I'll also show you how a sequence is, set up. So I have one for ops manager, wherein the steps are like this, right? So you can see the sequence is gonna check whether if an email exists. If an email exists, there are a certain number of steps that you can, certain set of steps that you can configure. If there is no email, you can, configure another set of steps, right? This is completely your space. You can work your magic here. We also have AI sequences, which also works in similar way, right? You go ahead and give the JD, and you also give like basic details like how you want the candidate to be reached out to, what tone to be used, and what kind of sequence you want to create, and the AI will work its magic, right? These are the two types of sequences that you can create. And you can also, from the talent pool itself, add the candidate to a sequence. So from here itself, I can go ahead and add Agnibesh to a specific sequence. Let's say I'm looking at account manager sequence, I'm going to add Agnibesh there. I'm going to do the same for Priyanka as well. I can also go ahead and bulk select these candidates and add them to a sequence. In this case, let's say I add them both to the account manager sequence itself, right? So what happens is I can go here, I can go to account manager sequence. So in the candidates list, you can see all of them being shown, and in the enrichment page, you can see, Priyanka being added because the email address is still found. So for candidates for whom the enrichment is still happening, they'll be in the enrichment page. For candidates for whom the enrichment has already happened, they'll be in the candidates page. So once the enrichment is complete, the candidates in the enrichment page will be moved to the candidates page, right? You also have another option where you can group your candidates together using projects. So this option gives you a way to like comprise your candidate list together where you actually have everybody in one single place. So in case if you want to come back in at a later date and see who are the candidates whom you actually sourced for Bangalore, right? You can create lists as and how you want. So I already have an account manager list for Bangalore itself. So I can go to all candidates page. I can just choose these two candidates and add them to a project. So in this case, I'm gonna select account manager Bangalore and add them to a project. I can also create my own project and I can choose whether or not if I want my entire team to see this or only if I want to see this. So I can choose between my team and only me options. So you can also see all projects as a tab, only me, which is created only for yourself, and shared with team. Basically, this shows all the projects that you've created and also everybody else in your team have created, and everything that's accessible by the entire team. So that's that. And you also have something called personalized JD where you can create your own JDs and send this to your candidates. So I have sales lead and creative designer, right? And you also have templates where you can actually send LinkedIn messages, or even you can save email templates, right? For example, I'm going to open a candidate's profile, and let's say I want to send them a direct LinkedIn message. What I can do is I can simply use the template icon over here, Nurturebox icon over here, and it's going to show me both JD templates and Nurturebox templates. So let's say I'm going to use Nurturebox templates first. I'm going to select this particular template, which reads, "Hi Ovia, I love what you're doing. I'd like to connect with you on Shotgun." But how have I configured it? So I've just configured it like, "Hi, first name, love what you're doing. I'd like to connect with you on Shotgun." So you have all of these variables that you can use in order to personalize this experience for your candidate. And I'm just gonna delete this. I'm also going to show you how JD templates work. So I have two JDs where I can choose between these two. I have creative designer. So I already have configured this again, and you will be asked whether if you want to display the candidate's profile, how you want the candidate to read the message, and so on. So this reads, "Hey Ovia, we need you on our team," and so on, right? When you click on send JD, it's going to create a personalized link for this candidate. I'll quickly show you how the JD has been customized, right? So for creative designer, this is how it looks like. So I've given all the basic details like the job title, company name, short description, the entire job description, and this is how the JD is going to look like. But let's wait and see how it looks for the candidate. So this is a very personalized link created just for Ovia. I'm going to open it, and tada! This is how it's going to look like. It shows the candidate's image. It says, "Hey Ovia, want to know more about the role," and you can see the entire job description that you've had. This adds a lot of personal experience to the candidate. It gives a personal touch, and it feels like it's been created just for them. That's what we did, right? So this is what we aim at Nurturebox. We automate the entire outreach process and we help you source your candidates. I hope this video was helpful. You can reach out to us for any questions or any queries, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.